Almost everyone experiences insomnia from time to time. Factors such as stress, jet lag, or even diet can affect your ability to get high quality sleep. Sometimes the problem lasts for a night or two, but in other cases, it's an ongoing issue. Hello viewers, welcome to Nuru Veda. Today in this video, we are talking about an issue which can not only impact your physical health but your mental health as well. It's insomnia or your inability to sleep at night. In this video, we will explain what causes insomnia, its health effect, and how can you get rid of it. Night sleep plays an important role in good physical and mental health. If you don't get good sleep, then you feel irritable and exhausted. Hence, it has serious long-term health consequences as well. Sleep deprivation is linked to several unfavorable health outcomes, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and depression. It may trigger the onset of certain psychological conditions as well. So let's discuss what causes insomnia. Chronic insomnia usually has a cause such as stress, jet lag, poor sleeping habit, eating too late in the evening, not sleeping on regular schedule due to work or travel. There can be medical reason for insomnia as well, such as mental health disorder, medication, conditions such as cancer, heart disease and asthma, chronic pain, or obstructive sleep apnea. Now, we are going to talk about the health effect of insomnia. Number 1. Increased health hazards. Insomnia on prolonged basis can increase risk for many medical conditions such as stroke, asthma, inflammation, obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure and heart disease. A chronic insomnia can hamper your immune system and make you vulnerable to diseases. Number 2. Increased risk for mental health disorders. Insomnia can also affect your mental stability and increase the chances for mental disorders such as depression, anxiety, confusion, and frustration. Number 3. Increased risk for accidents. Insomnia can affect your performance at work or school. It can negatively impact your sex drive, memory, and judgment. The immediate concern is daytime sleepiness. A lack of energy can cause feeling of anxiety, depression, or irritation. Not only it can affect your performance at work or school, but too little sleep may also increase your risk for car accidents as well. Number 4. Shortened life expectancy. Having insomnia can shorten your life. A study of 1 million participants analyzed at the correlation between sleep duration and mortality. They found that sleeping less increased risk for death by more than 15% compared to those who slept 7 to 8 hours per night. A more recent study looked at the effect of persistent insomnia and mortality. They found that those with persistent insomnia had a 97% increased risk of death. What lifestyle factors can increase your risk for insomnia? There are many reasons you may have trouble sleeping. Many of them are linked to your daily habits, lifestyle, and personal circumstances. These may include an irregular sleep schedule, sleeping during the day, a job that involves working at night, lack of exercise, using electronic devices like laptop and cell phone in bed, having a sleep environment with too much noise or light, a recent death of a loved one, a recent job loss, various other sources of stress, excitement about an upcoming event, recent travel between different time zones, which we call jet lag. Finally, the use of certain substances may seem to have a negative effect on sleep. These include caffeine, nicotine, alcohol, diet pills, or certain type of prescription medications. Now that we know what causes insomnia and what negative impact it can have on your health, let's find out what changes can you make to manage insomnia. There are many strategies for treating insomnia. Before you talk to your doctor about medication, try making lifestyle changes. This can help you overcome insomnia gradually and will not cause any adverse health effects. We have mentioned the lifestyle factors which can cause insomnia. Try and find the reason for your ongoing issue and make the necessary changes and observe for few days. But if the problem persists even after the lifestyle changes, then consult your doctor to provide medication. Your doctor may suggest medications such as melatonin supplements. This over-the-counter hormone can regulate sleep by telling your body that it's time for bed. Higher melatonin levels make you feel sleepier, but too much can disrupt your sleep cycle and cause headache, nausea, and irritability. Make sure you follow doctor's suggested dosage for the best result. We also suggest you should do a light yoga or meditation on a daily basis to keep mind clear of any stress. When should you see a doctor? Although it's common to have insomnia from time to time, you should make an appointment with your doctor if the lack of sleep is negatively affecting your life. As part of the diagnostic process, your doctor will likely perform a physical exam and ask you about your symptoms. They will also want to know about any medication you take and your overall medical history. This is to make sure that there is no underlying cause for your insomnia. If there is, your doctor will treat that condition first. That's it for today. If you like our video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest update on the video. If you have any suggestion, write to us in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.